Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, and we're going to get right on into this and a quick update. I told you last night, remember we had that circled at this major blue ring upper resistance, right? Look what happened last night. We had a big wick after I went to bed. The last time I talked to you last night was about right there, and we told you it was going to come down. And you can see we had a huge wick in the middle of the night, but an immediate sell-off. And now you can see we're all the way to this target at $35,115. And now you need to decide, are you going to bounce and come back up here to get rejected by the 200-day and come down? Or is the bearish sentiment in the market so strong across the board and in the rest of the equity markets and stock markets, right? Are we coming immediately right down to here now? That is very possible that after a brief consolidation and maybe a little bit of a fake pump like back here, right, that we might be fishing down now and pumping down to the bottom right here on a quick flush after a consolidation into your next support level. That's $5,900 and 17.5%. So that's what we're going to watch out for. I look for some kind of consolidation right along this bottom part of this line where you come down, maybe come up, come down, maybe come up, come down, maybe come up, and then break, right? I look for some little, at least a brief consolidation there before a flush, right? So that's what we're looking at on the Bitcoin. We kept you out of that brief pump yesterday when some of the hopium and the hype was coming back in last night, when Bitcoin pumped up about 4 or 5% as the weekend's trading closed, and the futures market open, right? We had a quick pump, but then just a dynamic sell-off, and you can see the same thing in the XRP. We had this 47 cents marked down after that brief pump up yesterday. We gave you the warning on how it likes to come back up, get rejected, and come back down, and that looks to be what we're doing after a little bit of a consolidation. We're flushing down to 47 cents is our next move, and with our industry exclusive measuring tool, that is a 13.69% flush, right? So you got to be prepared for that. And Dogecoin's the same thing, but my Wi-Fi is working very, very slow. So we're going to let you go with those brief updates. Dogecoin's in the same sort of thing. Like, subscribe, and share on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. And on our way out of here, you can see the Dogecoin loaded up, and you can see exactly where it's at. We're coming down here, and you can see how this trading looks like it's traded back in the 1930s with very little volume. There is no volume. The volume's been dead. You can see there's nothing. There's been nothing. There will continue to be nothing. And 11 cents is your next stop. And then 2.5 cents would be the flush after that. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Doug Zissia on Trading Alert.